Today, we're going to share a story, how we successfully helped an EB-1A application, which was on the edge of a denial, to finally get approval. EB-1A is the first preference of immigrant petition under U.S. immigration law. This category is to provide green card for talents in any kind of field to get a green card. So this is the first preference, which means it has the highest standard, but the waiting period is the shortest, no matter where you were born. So this category only reward to the top in each field. This EB-1A client is from Russia. He is an achievable banker. He led a small-sized commercial bank, achieved quite a few innovative projects which received national recognitions. And he himself is working for Forbes and other reputable magazines and journals in the field. And his project were reported by major media reports. So he has very remarkable achievements. His credentials are strong enough to support him to pursue EB-1A. His initial EB-1A was represented by another lawyer, and he requested premium processing for his EB-1A. But a week after the EB-1A submission, he received a very extensive RFE, which is requested for additional evidence. This RFE challenges all 5 requirements he claims he met under EB-1A. It's a 20 pages RFE notice. From every word of the RFE, we can read the implication from the officer that I'm not satisfied with the initial finding. I'm going to deny this case. So when he got this RFE notice, he realized something was wrong in his initial finding. He probably needs to seek another professional's help. That's how he met me. So I evaluated his credentials. I evaluated his initial package, which has more than 1,000 pages. I evaluated his recommendation letters and petition letters in the initial finding, and I spotted 3 major problems that caused the challenge. First, all 10 recommendation letters lack of details on his achievement. Each recommendation letter only has 1 page and only has general statement. This is not acceptable by USCIS standards because the officer wants to see details of your achievements, of your project. First of all, what do you have done? What is your contribution? And then what is your impact to your peers or to your field? And those letters, although he has 10 letters, but none of them provide enough detail on his achievement. Second problem is the whole more than 1,000 pages package was a mess. He claims he met 5 requirements under EB-1A, but the whole package was not organized according to the 5 requirements he meets. It is a total mess. No wonder the officer got lost because this is a huge package. And if you are not doing a good job organizing this package, the officer would not be able to tell whether you really meet the requirements. And the third problem is the petition letter. It's supposed to do a good job to outline all the achievement and lay out all the evidence to the officer why this applicant meets certain requirement and why they deserve an approval. So I told him, you are an achievable banker, and the only condition for me to help you is you follow my approach, follow my strategy. We redo the EB-1A package. We will reorganize your package, draft a total brand new 6 recommendation letters for you, and we will draft a very strong petition letter for you. We will treat this RFE response like an initial EB-1A filing, because only when we do a good job to reorganize your package, the officer is able to see how strong you are and what kind of achievement you are and what kind of evidence will support you meet what kind of EB-1A requirements. He followed. It took us more than 3 months to reorganize everything, to prepare everything according to our standard. And the good news is 5 days after we submit this RFE, the case was approved. He was very impressed on the quality of our work, on how I could spot the problem and fix it, and the strategy is correct because we redo the whole package for him. And by the way, he himself graduated from law school in Russia, and he's a licensed lawyer anyway, so he could tell the same case, the same applicant with the same credentials, a lawyer makes a huge differences in the final outcome of the case. If you like this clips, if you think this is helpful when you are preparing for EB-1A, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Thank you.